Reporter genes. This one is your last topic of unit 1. Okay. Reporter genes, what are that? Monitoring and detection of a transformation system in order to know whether the gene has been successfully transferred into the recipient cells or is done with the process or help of a genes known as marker genes. Means what? That is, reporter genes are one type of marker genes which gives an indication whether whatever the transformation we have done has been successfully done or it has been created or not. The reporter genes are either screenable, scoreable, a type of marker gene, which can be useful for gene expression. This reporter genes is taste gene which express the results in a quantifiable phenotypes. That means you can easily recognize. તમને easily ખબર પડે કે શું characteristics change થયા છે અને એ change થાય છે એ mark કરે છે કે whatever we want, whatever was transferred has been successfully transferred in the host recipient gene. The basic principles of using reporter genes means that in the natural genes, a synthetic modification is introduced in order to detect the gene product or differentiate between similar or identical genes in the genome, so that our desired gene transformed recombinant DNA can be easily recognized. The use of reporter genes require the method of gene transfer. Either it should be transient or stable. Reporter genes are constructed in such a way that it has active promoter and terminator region cloned into a plasmid vector. In this, you can see that the most of the use of reporter assay is to analyze how a gene is regulated by fusing the regulatory sequences with our interested gene sequences. Okay. In this study, you can see this is gene reporter, which is which has a regulatory sequence to be studied. These are the reporter genes. It may be like a green fluorescent protein or luciferase of bacterial cell. These are the enzyme. It will be useful to convert DNA to a messenger RNA, and easily recognizable sequence or sign will be observed as a result. It should be the features of ideal reporter genes. It should be easy quantifiable, relatively rapid degradation of enzymes, should be non-toxic for the cells. Product of the reporter gene should be resistant to any chemical process. Whatever the assay or we are using or test method we are using must be sensitive as well as reliable. These are the certain reporter genes which are commonly used for plant transformation, even in animal transduction method or transformation method. Even bacteria or prokaryotes also we go for using this type of reporter genes. Opin synthetase, chloramphenicol acetyl transferase, beta glucuronidase, bacterial luciferase, firefly luciferase, green fluorescent protein, as well as beta galactosidase. These all are the names or which are commonly used as a reporter genes. Opin synthetase enzyme is normally used in Ti or Ri plasmid in Agrobacterium species, which indicates the presence of this opin. Whether it is octopins or nopalines, they indicate clear indication of transformation stage. Okay. I'm going to just mention where it is useful. This chloramphenicol acetyl transferase is very common in eukaryotic organisms. It is commonly present on transposable element TN9, Beta-glucuronidase is an enzyme which is useful frequently in plant gene expression. Bacterial luciferins, which emits the lights, are useful in many type of reactions to identify in whether it is for bacterial cell or plant cells. Same way, firefly luciferus was isolated from North American firefly, and it flashes a light in the presence of protein luciferin as well as ATP. Green fluorescent protein was identified in jellyfish of Aquaria Victoria. This green fluorescent protein is very small protein of 238 amino acids. This owes its visible absorbance and fluorescence to a beta hydroxybenzylidene amidozylinones, chlorum, chloram, sorry, chromophores. Means it has a one particular compound which is known as beta hydroxybenzylidene amidozylino 1 chloroforms, means color emitting components. It emits the light around 395 to 590 at a different wavelength. This intensity of light emulsion has been improved upon mutations of the chromophores. Chromophore, a compound which is responsible for light emission, has been easily modified, and it has been increased its intensity to produce several new proteins, including enhancement of green fluorescent proteins, green fluorescent protein, cyano-green fluorescent proteins. The formation of this green fluorescence can be detected using fluorescent microscopy that I think you have seen during your visit to Industrial University. GFP-based reporter assays provide a distinct advantage over most other reporter systems, as they do not require cell permeabilization or the addition of any exogenous substrates. However, because they do not take advantage of enzymatic amplification steps, they are generally less sensitive than the other reporter assays. Means whatever the results will come, it will be for a long duration. Other than this is beta galactosidase assay. This is encoded in lac operon by in the gene lac-Z gene of E. coli. Catalyze the hydrolysis of a variety of beta glycosides, including chloromatic substrates like X-gal, okay, 5-bromo, 4-chloro, 3-indole beta D glycosidase. You can see the reactions that colorless this compound creates this deep yellow, which gives an identification for the assay is done completely. Those are certain applications where you can use the reporter genes like DNA regulatory elements, gene expression, protein-protein interactions, cellular physiology to study the cellular physiology, receptor activities, transcription factors, intracellular signaling, mRNA processing, and protein folding. What we can conclude about reporter genes? The reporter gene technique is widely used to monitoring the cellular events, whether it is of genetic level or any other, whatever it is associated with gene expression or signal transduction. The principal advantage of this assay or a reporter gene is their highly sensitivity, reliability, and adaptability to a large scale measurements. With the advantages in this technique and its detection method, like that luciferase and GFP will become increasingly popular for the monitoring system of non-invasive monitoring system of gene expression in live tissues, living tissues and cells. This technology will be important in defining whatever the molecular events are associated with transcription of genes, translation of genes, or expression of genes. For understanding what is the molecular base of disease, influence of our approach to gene therapy and drug events, whatever the smallest thing which can be affect to our gene expression during the disease when foreign particles are coming, and this is the time when we understand the importance of these things, because nowadays you are also hearing that COVID vaccine is little bit uh, mutant, not effective to a mutant virus, whatever it is the base on this. The future appear to be promising for the continuity of expansion of this type of reporter genes in biomedical field.